I am. And yeah, I crashed in Garmisch in my car. It was pouring the whole night. It's kind of insane. And now someone finally is willing to paddle with me, and yeah, I'm on my way to the Brandenberger Ache, which apparently is a beautiful river and also finally a class 5 river. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully I will be there in like 2 hours. So bad news. Well, I arrived at Brandenberger Ache and the river looks fine. Only problem is the guy I was supposed to paddle with just bailed on me because he has a sore throat, which sucks really hard. I don't really wanna paddle the whole river alone without knowing the lines, so yeah, now I will scout the 2 difficult parts, I guess, and then decide what part of the river I'll run. Maybe I can run everything. Problem is also running it alone. I kinda need to solve the shuttle situation. Yeah, it's still raining. I don't know. Situation kinda sucks. Well, I guess I will still try to make the best out of it. Alright, I hope you guys can see it clearly. Everything gets a little foggy here right now. I just came back from scouting the whole section. Everything, all my dry gear is now wet, which is awesome. The section looks pretty gnarly. I mean, it looks sick, but I hate to run it alone. Yeah, but that's where I am. I'm now gonna hike everything up with my boat, scout everything again, and then go step by step from there. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Beautiful. Also just hit the meat on river left and just go for it. Shit. Go to the left and then just hit it. That looks nasty down there. I finally made it. 3rd time I do the 5K stretch, so 15K hike for 5 kilometers of kayaking. My knee is hurting really bad, so that's bad. Yeah, but I'm finally here at the put-in. Just gonna empty the boat and then guess I'm just gonna send it. I can't hike back with this knee anyway. Always remember, kids, what is dead may never die.
What is dead may never die.
What is dead may never die, but rises again, harder and stronger. Stand.
them. What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Alright, as you can see, I survived. Yeah, unfortunately, I will probably, if someone contact me and wants to go kayaking tomorrow, I will stay. But if not, I will head home. I can't hike. My knees messed up. I had a really hard time scouting when I went down. So yeah, I need to look into that. That's how it is. Well, but it was amazing. This river is so beautiful. I hope I can come back in the summer. Well, it is summer. At better weather with a crew. That would be awesome. Alright, catch you later.